This video is about getting control with why your business is failing. Because when everything feels broken, it's easy to get overwhelmed and try to fix everything at once. And that's the fastest way to burn out and lose even more momentum. And I'll show you how to prioritize what to fix first so you can stop spinning your wheels, right? And actually move forward. In part 1 of this series, we took a deep look at why your business might be failing. We uncovered the 6 areas that commonly cause a business to go backwards, from financials to revenue, marketing, operations, external forces, and even mindset. Now, if you haven't watched that yet, I recommend that you go back and watch that first, because this video is about what comes next. And once you've identified what's broken, then you will need to know what to do with that, okay? My name is Richard G-Cornell, and this channel is dedicated to helping people create their own destinies through business. I've been in business for 30 years, helping brands sell more of their products and services, and this has given me a very deep understanding of how to start, scale, and promote businesses effectively. But most importantly, I will show you how to cope and succeed in your business journey whilst enjoying along the way. So let's get into it. Reality check. And here's the harsh truth. Not all problems are equal. Some are urgent, some are important, and some can wait. And some shouldn't be even on your radar right now. But the goal here is to not fix everything. It's to fix the right thing, the one that gives you the most leverage, the most relief, and the clearest path forward. So how do you know what to fix first? Well, I'm going to break this down for you with a very simple yet effective system. Step 1, stop the bleeding. And this is where you need to look at your financials. Ask yourself, am I bleeding money right now? If your business is losing more than it's making each month, and you don't have much money left, then this is where you need to start first, right? Most important. Nothing else matters if you're about to run out of cash. And this might mean cutting unnecessary expenses, and yes, you probably have a lot of them. Negotiating better terms with suppliers or lenders. Freezing any new hires or non-essential projects and get rid of any employees that you don't need. Getting very clear on what absolutely needs to be paid this month. And your goal here is really simple. You need to buy yourself some time, right? You can't make long-term decisions when you're drowning, right, financially. So plug the holes first, even if it's painful, which it will be, trust me. Step 2, restore revenue flow. And once you've stopped the bleeding, you've got to get the heart pumping again. And that means sales, okay? And ask yourself this. 1, where is the quickest place I can generate income right now? And this might be following up on old leads or inactive clients, or running a limited time offer or bundle, or selling an easier to deliver service while you fix the big stuff, or even going back to your best customers, right? And giving them a reason to buy again from you. And you're not trying to scale here, okay? I'm not trying to say that. You're trying to revive the business quickly. It's vital that you get some money coming in fast, because momentum here really makes the difference, okay? Step 3, you need to rebuild visibility. And if revenue is an issue, right, chances are you're also lacking visibility. So ask yourself this. Am I getting in front of the right people consistently enough? And if your answer is no, then that's your first step. No visibility means no leads. No leads means no sales. It's as simple as that. Now, this doesn't mean you suddenly need to become a content machine or spend thousands on ads, as that would only make it worse. Start small and be consistent. And here's what you need to do first, right? Post regularly on your best performing platforms. 2, reconnect with your network, your referrals, your partnerships, past clients. Run a new marketing campaign to test an offer. Make sure your website and socials clearly say who you are and how you can help. Very important. And the goal here is to not go viral. It's to be visible to the right people who actually need you and would be prepared to buy from you right now. Step 4, fix the structure. Now, once your finances, revenue, and visibility are under control, or at least moving in the right direction, okay, then you need to start looking at your internal structure. And this is where you need to address the operational chaos like broken systems, poor communication, inefficient team structure, right? Or lack of documentation or even processes. So ask yourself this. What's slowing me down or creating the most stress for me every day, day to day, right? And this is usually the point where you start feeling busy, but you're not doing anything, you're not productive. So your goal here is to simplify and systemize. Make your business run smoother so it's easier to scale again when the time is right. Step 5, adapt to the environment. Now, if you're still struggling, even after patching your financials, your sales, your marketing operations, then it might be time to pivot. So you need to ask yourself this. Has the market changed, and have I changed with it, right? And sometimes the offer that worked like 2 years ago might not be relevant anymore, or your pricing model is just outdated, or your competitors have evolved faster than what you have. So this is where you need to adapt, right? You need to update your offer, change your positioning, and explore new markets or new niches, right? And modernize how you deliver or communicate your value, right? And I get it, change is hard, right? But staying stuck is worse. And you also have to remember that your business will constantly need to evolve no matter what you do. So don't look at this like it's the end of the world. You need to understand this so this won't happen again to you in the future. Very important. Step 6, rebuild the mindset. And finally, we get to talk about you, right? And I let this last for a reason, not because it's least important, because once you've stabilized the core areas, you're going to feel a shift, right? You're going to feel lighter, more in control, and less overwhelmed. But if you still feel stuck, even after the fires have been put out, then this is the moment to pause and ask yourself this: do I still believe in this? Or do I still want this? Or am I tired? Or am I just done, right? And there's no shame in any of those answers, but you can't keep building something if your heart's just simply not in it, right? So if you're mentally drained, it's time to step back, recharge, and realign again. And I don't mean you need to quit or panic, but reconnect with why you started this in the first place. Because if you can't get this passion back, then everything that I've mentioned here, mate, it's just not going to matter, yeah? So key takeaways here are: 1, go back to your notes from part 1. 2, look at the category that hit you hardest. 3, use this system to figure out where to start, and always ask yourself this: if I fix this, will it relieve pressure in other areas too? And that's how you prioritize. You don't fix everything at once. First, you need to fix the most important things that will give you the most instant relief, and then let that momentum, right, carry you forward. Now, this wraps up my video today. I hope this helped, give you some clarity. And in the next video, which will be part 3 of this series, I'll walk you through real solutions for each category. So you've got tools, not just theory. We'll look at what you can do right now to rebuild, restructure, and recover. So if this video gave you any clarity, let me know in the comments below. What's the one thing you're going to focus on fixing first? As I'd love to read them, however, helping wherever I can. And you've got this, right? Just move forward. Just find something that matters to you. And please subscribe. Hit that notification button if you'd like to see more videos like this, as I have a heap more coming. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in part 3. Cheers.